What defenses do insurance companies use to avoid paying out on claims? Attorney Ralph Petty explains. The first tactic of the insurance companies is to blame you for causing the collision. The insurance company of the other driver often tries to convince you and your insurance company that the collision was your fault, whether this is true or not. Another tactic of insurance companies is to attack the medical treatment that you have received. They may accuse you of not seeking treatment immediately after the collision, and they argue that since you were not hurt, the injury you claim must have happened after the collision. Likewise, when there are large time gaps between receiving treatment, they may claim that you did not get treatment for a long period because you didn't need it and you were not injured. This is why it is important to keep your appointments, do exactly what your doctor tells you to do, and be honest with your medical providers. The other thing that insurance companies try to do to minimize their liability is blame your current condition on pre-existing conditions. In other words, if you've already been injured in the same area where you claim to be injured in the latest collision, some insurance companies will claim that the collision did not cause the condition. They claim that the injury already existed, and their driver is not responsible for your current condition. Call Attorney Ralph Petty in Salt Lake City, Utah for a free strategy session today. The law office of Ralph C. Petty has been confidently and skillfully assisting clients with their legal needs since 1981 and is not afraid to fight for you, no matter what it takes.